Here's 2 efficient ways of removing collections, charge-offs, and late payments from your credit report.
Okay.
Using the real credit bureau, the CFPB. This is how you're going to dispute collections. So once you get to the CFPB, you're going to hit Start New Complaint. Boom. Then we are going to hit Debt Collection. What type of debt? I don't know. If you don't know, just put I don't know. If you do know, choose it. Boom. Next. This is a very easy process, guys. So, my method. False attempted to collect wrong amount because they should be collecting nothing. Technically. Have you ever tried to fix this problem? You can choose yes or no. Doesn't matter. Now, what happened? This is where you're going to fill in the dispute letter. If you want the dispute letter, put it in the comments. You're just going to copy and paste it. Add in your name, don't add in your name. Add in your account number. You're going to get the account number from your credit report. All right. And then what do we think would be fair? Delete this account. This is where you're going to upload any documents that you have. For you guys out there who said this is not really mine, whatever documents you want to upload, do it here. All right. Now, company name. Let's say it's this place, and it'll pop up. Now, get your account number and put your last. Enter that in. The company where the debt came from, the same as entered above. Of course, that answer is no, because this is a collection. Never put someone else. Always put myself, because they won't push the complaint through. Always choose myself, and you have the option if you want to add in all this information. I don't, just because I don't. Okay, scroll to the bottom.
All right, so filing a CFPB complaint takes definitely this route, though. For her situation, it was a collection, but you can use the CFPB method to dispute any inaccuracies that you see or that you feel is on your consumer report. So in addition to sending out a dispute letter to a TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, and or a portfolio or another creditor or furnisher, you can file CFPB complaints, BBB complaints, OCC complaints. So if you've never knew or if you've never heard of filing a CFPB complaint, this video that she just did kind of walks you through the general gist of what you need to do or what to expect when you go through filing a complaint with the CFPB. Let me know, have you ever filed a complaint with the CFPB and get the account deleted from your credit? Drop it below. Let me know what you think. If you've never tried it, try it. Let's hear your results. Let's see what happens, because not everybody will get the same result. Some of you might get an account deleted, some of you may not, but you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So try it anyway. So drop your comments below. Let me know what you think. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, and I'll see you on the next one.